Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another quick update. My name's Brett. We make the motorcycle videos and motorcycle vlogs here. Today we are going to talk about free time again. Yeah, like kind of again. What I'm talking about today is making the most of your opportunities. This that I'm doing right here today is me taking advantage of an opportunity. And to be honest with you, this is an opportunity that is here for me 5 days a week.
Cause I'm a blue collar man and work all I can 5 days a week.
I never do anything about it. I'm usually just too lazy to get the gear on and go for a quick ride. Most of the reason why I feel like I'm usually too lazy to put everything on just to go for a ride is I only got about 20 to 30 minutes before I need to be back home so I can go get the kids. So that makes it like a lot of effort for such a little reward. But I'll tell you this, every single time that I grudgingly put on the boots, put on the shoes, whatever, put on the jeans, put on the jacket, put on the helmet, and then finally start riding, I'm always thinking, it's so worth it. It's been a focus I've been trying to do more lately. I will admit, now I don't have like any sort of seasonal depression. Now, not yet anyway. That could still come into play when I can't get out and ride at all. But my wife will probably be the first one to tell you this. I could be a grumpy Gus.
Hey, Sandy, watch me do the grouchy Squidward.
Stop naming moves after me.
Everybody's an idiot except for me.
Well, it's true.
And I don't mean to be, but I just don't have a lot of time to myself. I'm not saying that from a selfish point of view, it's just the reality of what it is. When I wake up, I have enough time to usually shower, maybe help get the kids ready to go to daycare, and then I have to hop on the computer for work. After work, I have about a 20 to 30 minute window where if I'm feeling lazy, I'll take a quick nap, because then I have to go pick up the kids, and we have the kids for another 4 or 5 hours until they go to sleep at night. Now, at that point, given the current temperature climate, I'm not going to go I'm not going to go riding at 9 p.m. at night. It's cold, it's dark, it just doesn't sound like much fun. But anyway, so what I started to do over this last week is if the temperature was above 45, pay attention. If the temperature was above 45, I would force myself to go ride. And I tell you what, it has put me in just the greatest of moods. I feel like all of the times that I would have normally been grumpy because I feel like I'm a shut-in, a hermit, and everything else, that kind of goes away. But anyway, I feel like now that I've been getting my rides in, I've been a much happier person, a happier parent, a happier husband, and I feel that because I've been happier, I just feel like it's a much better life, a better situation. And guys, this is all being kind of cured with 20 minutes a day on a motorcycle. That's the power of motorcycles. At least that's my vice. I mean, everyone else has, you know, whatever you want, crack cocaine, marijuana.
So first of all, smoking's bad. You shouldn't smoke. And alcohol is bad. You shouldn't drink alcohol. And as for drugs, well, drugs are bad. You shouldn't do drugs. Okay, that about wraps up my introduction.
You know, there's drugs, but this is essentially my drug. This is what you know, gives me that relaxation. Because it's not like I'm not relaxing when I am with the kids or with the family or anything like that. It's relaxing. I mean, they don't have me on the move all the time yet. They're not that age. But there is just the fact that you feel kind of confined sometimes. So all I'm really saying on this video here today, because again, I'm keeping these kind of short and sweet through the winter time, is take advantage of those opportunities. Because you never know when, one, the snows might come in and you can't ride anymore, and two, things could change. You might not even have the small opportunities for a while. So with that being said, go ahead and post your thoughts and comments about that subject. Would you know, get all geared up just to go for a 20-minute ride? Or are you the type that, unless you can get away for hours throughout the day, you don't ride? Or maybe you're a hybrid of both. I don't know. But with that being said, I will go ahead and I'll catch you guys on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chopper Fit out. See you guys. Peace.